Have you ever wondered what £1.15 million gets you in the heart of Stoke Newington with a bespoke detailing and a high-end finish? Let's check it out. Coming in this video, an amazing light above me, a two-tone kitchen, this amazing shower room. Look at the tile selection here, a master bedroom with some wood paneling, and look at this ensuite bathroom. That's just some of the amazing touches that are going to be shown in this video. Stay tuned. We're in the heart of trendy Stoke Newington. This is a three-storey house. It got converted into two flats. And what did it actually take to get it right, to get a record price and get these two units sold extremely fast? Let's take a look. So we always name our houses after a tree. This one is called Silver Birch. Come inside. Two flats behind me. One is on the ground floor, which is a two-bedroom. And today we've completed on the three-bedroom triplex upstairs, which we're going to take a look at. Very important to start off with these extra height doors, which completely transform the entrance and gives you a feeling of grandeur. Imagine walking through the front entrance. You've got this really high door, a really nice light, and you've got this really amazing bespoke staircase with this tailored carpet. And that brings you into this foyer, which is your entertaining space and your meet and greet. Now, where a lot of developers and flip investors go wrong, they would actually chop this space up and maybe turn it into a study or try and get another bedroom out of it. What we try and do is give the owner occupiers the feeling of space, which is so important and critical when it comes to an exit. Behind these bespoke wardrobes, what we've got is a utility area which has got a washing machine and a dryer and a place to hang your coats. And on the right hand side here, we've also got a boiler. And then this leads on to a terrace. With the doors open on a nice summer's day, potentially the buyers could deck this and overlooking a really nice garden, and it gives you the chance to have outdoor space, eating, barbecues or whatever it is, and it adds to the value that you're creating. Before we lead upstairs into a triple lounge, we've got a pocket door here that's got a small powder room, and we've done this in with Victorian details with really nice tiling, a basin and a toilet and a really nice mirror too. How's this for a lounge? And what we wanted to do is create a very, very special space in here, an entertaining space. So we lost a big bedroom in here, but what we've created is the amazing lounge, which has got space for a dining table there. You could have a sofa with a TV over there. We've got this two-tone kitchen. We've got a double cooker, integrated appliances, we've got a fridge freezer, and then we also have a really nice island that gives you the opportunity to just sit here, have a really nice breakfast. You've got a dining table over here, we've got a dishwasher, it's two-toned, and all of this attention to detail is what the buyers appreciate, and it's so important. Before we come upstairs, we've got a half landing with one bedroom and then a further two bedrooms upstairs. Let's take a look at the first bedroom, which is a double bedroom with fitted wardrobes, and it has a separate shower room just on the first landing here. Color coordinated, a nice neutral palette, really nice wool carpets, which is quality. And then we've got this bespoke joinery here. And as we open this, you've got spray painted. Everything is oak inside. And once again, the quality is something that the buyers appreciate in this location, being trendy Stoke Newington. Before we head upstairs, what you may note behind me is some natural light coming through, which is the big glass that we've got here, which is architecturally inspired, that faces the rear of the garden. So we've given it a mix of traditional Victorian with a little bit of a modern minimalistic touch as well. What we've also got in this space is a double height ceiling, which gives us the feeling of volume and space, which is something that you should always try and create as a consideration for the end user buyers. Let's take a look at a shower room and a master bedroom and an ensuite that you're absolutely going to love. Let's go. Half landing on the right hand side, we've got a primary bedroom, but before we go in that, let's have a look at the shower room specifically for the bedroom below. What we've got in here is a shower, we've got a basin, we've got a toilet, and we've got these really special tiles that's really set this bathroom alight. How's this for a bedroom? This is a primary bedroom, and look at the size here. We've got these huge windows with some traditional radiators that have been color coordinated to match the wardrobes over there. And what we've created here is some very simple wood paneling, which is a piece of wood that goes here, goes down, being painted, and it gives you a three-dimensional touch. Very simple to do, and it completely transforms the bedroom. What's really important as well, what we always like to do in our projects and which will help you guys create value and buyers will appreciate it, is try and choose nice lighting. That's what makes the difference. We've got some wood sash windows and then we've got these 2 wardrobes. Quality always wins. Let's have a look at the ensuite. What we've created here is something very special. We've got this double basin here with a bespoke vanity unit underneath. We've got a freestanding bath that overlooks the garden, a Victorian style, some lovely lights. The tile selection in here is absolutely superb and the contrast is awesome. And then we've got this rain shower. The feeling of space in this bathroom is something very special and has to be considered. Let's take a look at the upstairs, and before I do that, I'm going to show you a really nice storage solution too. Behind here, you've got a staircase. So what we've done is we've got a push door here, and inside here it gives you more space for storage. Now what's really important to note is that everything that's upstairs is after we achieved planning permission, so it's all new square footage and new space. As part of a flip strategy, it's always about creating space and then a full internal refurbishment that's in line but will be the #1 property in the location for the price that you're trying to achieve. Let's take a look. As we come upstairs, it might look easy, but I can assure you it was very, very difficult to get the layout correct in here. And the staircase and the engineering behind this bespoke staircase was so important. We did it, and what we also wanted to do is bring in some natural light. So we've got these glass panels, and that brings in some natural light. And then we've got the space behind us, which looks like this. Now just imagine a double bed here, 2 bedside tables. On the left-hand side, we've got a window overlooking the garden. Now you can easily have a study here or a bench here, sit down, read a book and enjoy it. So this is the considerations that we had in mind. And once again, this room has also got an ensuite shower room. Let's take a look. Doesn't need to be huge, it just needs to be compact, and most importantly, it needs to be quality. Attention to detail is so important. So the interior design, the selection of tiles, a bespoke cabinet, a very nice sink, the black taps, the black shower, the black rain head and the black radiator all follow through. And this is where design is appreciated. There you have it. 3-bedroom triplex apartment in trendy Stoke Newington that sold for 1.15 million. We had 2 inquiries, 2 offers. We chose to go with the best buyer, which was chain free, had their finance in place. And most importantly, when we asked them why they wanted to buy this property, they loved the design, they loved the location, they loved the quality, and they could see it as a long-term home. And with that in mind, this is who we cater for. With that said, Monty Nawaz, I'll see you next time. Also, make sure you share, like and subscribe. There's going to be some useful content coming out, which is going to help you guys emulate and become amazing flippers for you to do exactly what we're doing today. Take care, out.